I really do believe that God encourages us in different ways. And I just wanted to quickly share a testimony about something that happened to me today that encouraged me. Some of you might have heard the statement or the word, the slogan, it's worth the wait. Today I had a very practical experience to encourage me that waiting is worth it. Whether you're waiting on something or someone or an expectation that you're believing God for, waiting is worth it. So I'll try and tell the story as quickly as possible, as quickly as possible. So I went today to get my hair cut. Normally the barber shop opens at 9 o'clock. I went as closely to 9 o'clock as possible. I think I was just there a few minutes after. And I was hoping that, as usual, it's early, not many people would be in there, and and not many bookings. And my barber is very popular. He's a good barber. He's really good at what he does. And he also has a booking system. So you can walk in or you can have a booking system. I just thought it's early. I don't have to book. I can just go in, and hopefully, if not after one person, he'll be able to see me after. So I went in and he already had somebody on the seat. Apparently that person was waiting outside from 8:30, so they were definitely first on the seat. And then the barber informed me that I have bookings back to back. I think, make yourself comfortable. I have at least 3 people before you booked in. So, and he takes his time with people's hair. He's not a quick drrr and then off you go. So I knew that it's going to be I'm going to be waiting for a bit today. So I sat down, made myself comfortable, and I went to their bookshelf because I also know my barber is a supporter of my work. And so for those of you who follow my work, I share content on sexual purity, and I encourage myself and others to walk the pure path, valuing ourselves and valuing others as well. And so I also know that I gave the barbershop one of my books, and they've kindly put it on their shelves. As I say, it's the least I can do for the service that they have blessed me with over the years. And so I put it in the shelf, and it's there, it's always there. And so I just thought, I've been wanting to encourage myself, and to reread my own book, because even though I wrote the book, even though it was written by me, I also believe the book was written for me. And so from time to time, I do read the book to encourage myself. And again, the book is titled Virgin with a Vision, Sex is a Gift, I Open It After Marriage. And, there's all kinds of poems and words of encouragement in there as well. And so I just picked it up to read from the beginning, and I enjoyed it. I enjoyed reading it. I figured, since I'm going to be here for a while, I'm just going to keep reading and encourage myself while I'm waiting. And it's interesting because the book is all about waiting, and I am waiting for my haircut. And again, I thought maybe, I don't know how long this wait's going to be, but I'm here already. I need a haircut, so I'm just going to wait it out, however long it takes for me to get a haircut. Well, I got there around 9 o'clock, and let's just say by 12 o'clock, 3 hours later, is when I got my turn on the seat. But it's okay. It's worth the wait. I believe it's worth the wait. And I believe God was teaching me patience through that process. And so I just sat down, read the book, reading my book, waiting. And I sat down in the chair. I'm grateful for the haircut experience that I always get from my barber. And whilst I was having my haircut, somebody walks in the barber shop. Now, this is somebody I know, and I also know this person because they're one of the supporters of my message in terms of the message of sexual purity. I remember meeting them somewhere, and they bought my book. I remember a while back. And I saw them, I was like, wow, you come to this barbershop as well. You come here as well. Wow, that's amazing. That's incredible. That's like, wow, you know these guys too. And like, wow, it's just catching up and talking, and it was amazing. And I finished my haircut. I went to pay. Before I could even bring up my card, the barber told me, he's already paid for you. I was like, who? What? Yeah, he's already paid for you. It was done in the most discreet way that literally, apart from the guy who paid and the barber, nobody knew. And I didn't even know when it was happening. I just got there and it's like, he's already paid for you. And I was humbled in that moment because it's like, wait a minute. I've been waiting for 3 hours to get a haircut. I've been reading a book about waiting. And to seal off the day, God has confirmed to me that it is worth the wait, because I ended up walking out of the barbershop with a free haircut. It's humbling to me because it just, I'm not trying to read into too many things here. Simply for me, I just believe that as children of God, God is for us. He's working for us. Even though we don't see it, he's working. Even though we don't feel it, he's working. Like that song says. At various points within my 3 hour wait, I was really thinking, am I gonna, there's 3 other barbers. So there's 4 barbers in the shop and they're all quality. But I have a regular one that I go to. And so I was thinking, man, do I go on his seat? 3 hours, it's a long time. Do I go on his seat? Do I do this? But something just told me, I believe the Holy Spirit just encouraged me, stay still, be still, trust God, read your book, enjoy the process of reading your book. You've been wanting to read it, so read it, encourage yourself. You need the encouragement anyway, because it was a very tempting week. It was a week where I needed this encouragement. And after reading my book, God now sealed the day with his blessing. That Ike, it's worth the wait. So I just want to use this as an opportunity to encourage myself and encourage you. If you're waiting and you're trusting and it's taking a while and it's taking longer than expected, trust God, believe God. He will never let you down. He will never let you down. I'm humbled. And sometimes in life when you go through things and God shows up in a way just to encourage you, just to remind you, I'm still on your case. I'm still with you. I'm still backing you. You're not lost. You're not confused. You're not weird. You're not odd. I'm still with you. I'm still with you. I'm still with you. Today is one of those days where, I got the thumbs up. I just sense that thumbs up in my spirit. Like, Ike, you're on the right path. Keep walking in the light. Keep walking in the pure path. I will never leave you. I will not forsake you. And the end is glorious. And you will look back, just as you looked back today after 3 hours, and you were like, man, what a blessing. You're going to look back, Ike, that at the end of this walk of purity, denying self and sensual pleasures that you can easily do. You can watch things, you can do things. Some ladies like you can do things with them. You can watch things when people are not watching. There's so many opportunities to just fall for temptation. But Ike, you've been standing. Ike, God says, I'm going to bless you, son. I'm going to bless you, boy, for what you've done. Because you've done this, I'm going to bless you, boy. I'm going to bless you, boy. Ike, God's going to bless you, boy. All right? He's going to bless you. He's going to bless you. When? How? Where? You may never know. Trust him. Keep walking with him. Keep waiting. God bless you guys and girls, ladies, gentlemen, everyone watching. I'm encouraged today and I pray you are also encouraged too. God bless you. It's worth the wait. Bye for now.